So Unit 7 is about coordinate plane. And we're going to talk about a few different things. And you can think of this like Battleship, if you've ever played the game Battleship. So an ordered pair gives the location of a point. The x-axis is the horizontal line. The y-axis is the vertical line. Now, if you've ever played Battleship, you move horizontal first, which is side to side, and then you move vertical. So we're just going to practice that today. But the first thing that we need to do is we need to make ourselves a little coordinate plane. And the way that you're going to do that is you're going to be looking at your notebook, and I want you to count down 10 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So count down 10 lines, and then you can number them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're going to draw a line straight through them. And this one at the bottom will be 0. So this is the y-axis, which is that vertical axis that we talked about in the notes that you copied on the previous page. All right, now the horizontal axis is the x-axis. And we're going to, just like you would with Battleship, we're going to use letters for today. Normally we'll use numbers, but for today you're going to use letters, and we're going to letter up to letter K. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. And stop. Go ahead and label them. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, and K. All right, we just drew ourselves a coordinate plane. Ta-da! Now, when we plot points, we have to go side to side first, and then up and down. And that's an ordered pair. You also move x, then y. So if you can remember that the x-axis is the horizontal axis and the y is the vertical, then you're all set. I'm going to change my colors just so you guys can see where I'm plotting points. So for M, I have to always start at 0. So you can see my little cursors at 0. I'm going to go over to B, so over to B. And then I have to go up to 3. So I'm going to do little dots just so you can kind of track where I'm headed. And I have to stop at 3. And you can see that it intersects between the 3 and the B. And we're going to label that as point M. Okay. Let's do point P. So I have to start at the X. So I'm going to go to G first. There's G. And then I'm going to go up until I meet line number 7, which is right there. I'm going to draw a dot, and you can see that this 7 intersects with this little dot here. So that's going to be point P. I'm going to do point Q now. So I have to start at K and go to 1. So I'm going to go all the way across to K. Here's K. And then I have to go up to 1 from there. So there's K1, which is point Q. And if you want to, you can draw the dots across, but you don't have to. So I want you to try to do point R, point S, and point T. So for point R, I have to go to F, and then F and 0. So I actually don't go anywhere. So it just stays on that line. So there's point R. For S, I need to go to C and then up to 9. So here's C, and I'm going to go up to 9. You can see it intersects with the 9. So there's point S. And then I need to do point T, which is I and 5. I'm going to go across to I, and then I'm going to follow it up to 5. Put a dot. You can see that it intersects with the 5, which is T. And that is all there is to plotting points. So if you can remember the game Battleship, you will be successful in Unit 7. But remember, this information is not going to be on your quiz. We just wanted to get your mind to start thinking about coordinate plane. Thank you very much for all of your hard work, and if you have any questions on anything, make sure you let your teacher know.